I need to pot up a few of my plants, mostly my jalapeños. I'm gonna do 6 of my jalapeños and see how much they grow, because both of these are about the same size. So I'm gonna do 6 potted up and see how they fare with these ones not potted up, see how much of a difference that makes. And then I have 2 tomato plants that are ready to get going. 2 in there, and you see them? Oh my God. One of them got stunted from lack of water, and I think I'm just gonna pick it because it's not doing great. And if it's already struggling at this stage, it's not really worth it. They're a little bit early to begin with anyway. And then I have a whole lot of flowers that I probably could pot up, but I'm not going to because I don't have the space. So I just boiled some water and wet all of my soil because I had a little bit of a bug issue. So I'm just gonna make sure I kill everything off, especially because I just got this. I got an organic, it's a seed starting mix, but it looks pretty juicy. Like, it looks pretty healthy. And anyway, I want to make sure that there's nothing organic and flying alive in there or ready to be woken up. So that's what I'm doing. Probably not going to talk too much, but enjoy the rest of it. I'm a little bit impatient. Something you should know about me. They're feeling a little bit flimsy, I will say that, but they're in. I'm gonna watch something and you're on my phone, so I will see you again when I'm done. Okay, so here's the finished product. We got herbs up top, other than cilantro and thyme. They just sprouted, so I'm keeping them under the lights for a little bit, and then I'm gonna pop them up here. And then we have the rest of the starts. We've got the jalapenos that we are testing. We have the pepperoncinis, which have not yet sprouted, and then we got tomato starts in the back here, and then so that's tier 2, and then tier 3 we have all of these guys, the tomatoes and the jalapenos. I'm gonna need to get another tier going. I have another shelf that I can add onto it, and I'm gonna need another light, which is fine. It's kind of nice to do it that way. You don't need to buy it all at once. I guess maybe it doesn't make it cheaper, but it makes it seem cheaper, and you can spread out what you're buying. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.